Okay, so I'm going to use my Flori blush. This is a blush. It's called Dark. It's a radiant blush, but I'm going to use it in my crease area.
Hey everybody, get excited, get excited. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one face at a time. Guess what? Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, super, super excited. Thank you for tuning into my page. Stay tuned for the video. Get excited.
And I'm going to go in the magic set right here. I'm going to use this, and this one is more like a shinier orange, but I'm just going to hit it in the crease area, lay it over the other orange that I use, just to add a little more definition, just to darken it up some, as you guys can see. It's popping a little more, like so. See the difference? Goes right in here. I'm going back in the magic set, and I'm going to use the black right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Just halfway. Everybody get excited, folks. So I'm going back in with that orange, and I want to clean up my crease area some with the black one and just blend it in some. Like so, everybody. Get excited, folks. Get excited. Hope everyone have a wonderful weekend, Labor Day weekend. Get excited. The summer went by so fast, I don't even know what happened. But anyway, it is well. It is well. So, chocolate sisters, this is for you. Let nobody tell you you too dark to wear this and that. You too dark because you're not going to make it. Don't let nobody feed that into your spirit. You can do all things. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Get excited. Believe that. So, I'm going to take the yellow right here. I'm going to build it in the inner corner. Get excited, everybody. Get excited. Get excited. Get excited. Come on, Camber. Focus. So I'm going right here in the middle. Oh, I got this green thing on my nose here. Oh, that's coming from the headpiece. The piece I got on my head. Duh, Corinne. So I'm going to build that yellow right in here. I should have put the shiny gold over it, and then put this on so it'll pop more. I think I'm going to have to go back and do that. Yeah. Get excited, everybody. So I decided to go in with the shiny gold. Let me tap that off. The shiny gold is another one of CFW Products. You've seen in a couple of my videos. And I'm just going to tap it in so this can pop more. So I put it right over that yellow that I originally used in the magic set. Like that. Don't forget to blend your shadows. Yeah, that's popping more. There we go. There we go. Come on, focus, camera. There we go. It's popping just like I want it. Get excited, everybody. So I want to go back in with some more black on the outer corner so I can pop a little more. I like to bring it up some like that, just to give my eyes a lift some. Just on the outer corner. Like so, everybody. Like so. Do the other side. Get excited, everybody. Get super excited. Get excited about life, like I always say. And believe something good is going to happen for your folks. Get excited. It's a new day. Rejoice. And be exceedingly glad in it. Get excited. I'm just blending that down. I'm going to be doing a lot of looks for the chocolate sisters. Because some of us has been deceived that we too dark to look, do this and that and wear this and that. I remember years ago somebody told me that I was too dark to make it in the fashion industry as a model. Oh well, time has changed. So get excited, everybody. So I'm doing my cat eyes. Yes, I always do cat eyes because it gives my eyes a lifting effect, folks. Get excited. Did everybody watch the Aretha Franklin service, homegoing service? What a blessing how they celebrated her life. Oh my God. Also, I did a video, so go check it out. I'm going to tag it on the end of this video, but go check it out. I mean, the celebration was amazing, everybody. Oh, they sent the queen home. Beautiful. Oh my God, I was so blown away. Especially when I saw those Mary Kay pink Cadillacs. I was like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I was like, wow. What a send-off. That was beautiful. And of course, people going to have their negative comments and opinion about the service was too long. But when you're celebrating somebody's life, time shouldn't matter. Get excited, everybody. I see how I lift up my eyes. Give me a whole different look. Get excited. Come on, camera, focus. Get excited. Okay, I'm going in with the yellow in the inner corner. Like so, and then I'm going to mix some of the shiny gold right over it. Here we go, so I can pop more. Get excited, everybody. You guys got to go check out the Flori Products eyeshadows. They're amazing. They are amazing. And I'm using an angle brush just to put it on. So, look at that. Wow. Chocolate girls. Get excited. Okay, so I'm just going to add some blush, and I'm going to use that orange blush again. This brush, wrong brush. Wrong brush, people. Oh, I'm a cheekbone area. I'm a cheek right here, right here. Excellent. I'm going to use my favorite Hot Mama bronzer, and you guys know I'm going to bronze my nose area some. Like so. Oops, I did too much as always. Blend it down, folks. I'm going in the middle right here. Blend that down, folks. Use my fingers to blend it. I'm not doing my cheek area with it today. Get excited, everybody. You guys enjoyed this look. So, last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this. I think it's called Wine Brandy or Brandy Wine. My Flori lipstick. So the look can pop some more. Have a great Labor Day weekend. September's here, folks. And the summer's gone. So quick, everybody. Oh, I forgot to add the rest of my jewelry. So I'm just gonna add my little face jewelry. I'm just gonna put it right here under the nose area like that. It's 2 pieces, and they originally supposed to go on the sides, but I already did a video like that, so I'm just gonna put them down the nose. And I hope they straight. Don't look straight to me. There we go. Let me pull this one off. Anyway, folks, that completes my look. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'll see you next time, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Thanks for watching. Later, later, later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.